Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Government approval has been granted for the staging of next month's J3A's National Senior Athletics Championships, which will serve as the Olympic trials. But while the 4-day senior trials has been approved for June 24 to 27, the National Junior Trials will have to be rescheduled. Jermaine Brown now reports.
With the 2021 Boys and Girls Athletics Championships done and dusted, attention now turns to the National Senior Athletics Championships as well as the National Junior Championships. But with the COVID-19 pandemic still very much a clear and present danger, the meets have to be approved by the government, as was the case with the champs recently. Speaking with the TVJ Sports, President of the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, J3A's Garth Gale, said plans for the staging of the meets in June are well advanced as they have received the requisite government clearance.
We have been working with all the government agencies and we are confident that all will be well. We have already gotten communicated that has approved the event or the staging of the event. We're working out some other things that we think would be in the best interest of our athletes.
But while the National Senior Trials are set to be contested, there is a hiccup for the National Junior Trials as the J3A's has been forced to find new dates for the meet. Those dates are yet to be finalized.
Our National Junior Trials Championships has been rescheduled to a later date, and this is as a result of the rescheduling of the CSEC and CAPE exams. A new date will be done and will inform the public. We are currently having discussions with our coaches as well as for them to inform their athletes accordingly.
Meanwhile, Gale explained that a plan is being worked out with the government to ensure overseas-based Jamaican athletes are able to compete at the trials.
They will follow the government protocol just as any Jamaican, but we are working with the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Sport to ensure that they are treated similar to other business groups that comes in to conduct their affairs and then to head back to their domiciles.
The National Senior Trials are being used to select Jamaica's teams for the Tokyo Olympics set for July 23 to August 8 and the NACAC Under-23 Championships from July 9 to 11 in San Jose, Costa Rica. The National Junior Trials will be used to select teams for the NACAC Under-18 Championships, also set for July 9 to 11 in Costa Rica, as well as the World Under-20 Championships set for August 20 to 22 in Kenya. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.